Your blood vessels have no pain receptors, and this means problems can build up silently for years without you ever noticing. And that's actually the big focus of the new Ring Conn Gen 3, on top of all of the other health metric tracking without any subscription fees. So this isn't just another smart ring tracking sleep and steps. The Ring Conn Gen 3 is built around something called vascular trend tracking, giving you long-term insights into changes and patterns in your vascular wellness over time, all from a ring that you barely notice you're wearing. Now, before we get into the new features, this is actually one of the reasons I prefer smart rings over smartwatches is for the health tracking, because watches are great during the day for me, but at night I always tend to take them off before I'm sleeping. For me, it just improves comfort, it also allows me to charge them, and I just don't want something bulky on my wrist the whole time I'm sleeping. Now that means I personally miss out on some of the most important data, especially for me, which is sleep. Now with the Ring Conn Gen 3, it's designed for 24/7 wear. It weighs just 2.5 to 3.5 grams depending on the size that you pick. We've got an ergonomic in-around outer square design so it doesn't dig into your fingers, and honestly, after a while, you forget it's even there. I was a fan of the Gen 2, and the Ring Conn Gen 3 brings some pretty meaningful upgrades, including longer battery life, the new Vascular Trend features, we've got vibration alerts, and a new handcrafted brushed finish. So of course, let's start with the biggest new feature. Now obviously, this isn't a medical device, and this feature is designed for general wellness and lifestyle awareness only, but what Ring Conn calls Vascular Trend is essentially designed to help you understand long-term changes and patterns in your vascular wellness over time. And what's interesting is that it's not just looking at one isolated reading, it's looking at trends across days, weeks, and months. So for example, the app can show changes between daytime and overnight patterns, identify variations over time, and give you a much bigger picture of how factors like stress, recovery, sleep quality, exercise, and your different lifestyle habits may be affecting your body. And honestly, I think the overnight side is especially interesting because a lot of health wearables simply don't get consistent overnight data if people aren't comfortable sleeping in them. The Gen 3 is thin enough and light enough that I genuinely don't mind wearing it overnight. Because of that, you get continuous overnight tracking as well as day tracking. This is something that Ring Conn have heavily focused on improving with every generation. Now the app also lets you do on-demand vascular insights whenever you want, alongside the continuous long-term tracking, and it looks at things like sleep breathing, circadian rhythm, exercise recovery, stress response, and overall stability patterns. One thing I like here is that it's trying to focus on trends and awareness rather than just throwing isolated numbers at you. Now because the long-term data is where things actually become useful, you start seeing how bad sleep affects recovery, how stress changes your body over time, and how changing habits actually impacts your trends week to week. Now the Ring Conn Gen 3 has actually already pointed out to me that I may have mild sleep apnea, which I kind of already suspected myself. While you can't use this as a medical diagnosis tool, it is a very good prompt for you to go and get an official diagnosis from a doctor. Now another new upgrade over the Gen 2 is the vibration alerts, and this is actually more useful than I expected. The ring can give you gentle vibration reminders, and this is for things like inactivity, low battery, or wellness notifications without needing to constantly look at your phone or smartwatch. Because it's subtle, it means it avoids the whole situation where your watch buzzes, you unlock your phone and suddenly you're distracted scrolling through notifications instead of actually doing what you're supposed to be doing in the first place. Now battery life has also improved quite a lot as well this generation. Now Ring Conn claims it's between 11 and 14 days of battery life depending on your usage, which honestly for something this small is incredibly impressive, and I have to say my real world use does tie up with that. This is also a big upgrade from the Gen 2 because of course the less you charge it, the more continuous your health data becomes. You're not constantly taking it off, forgetting to put it back on, or creating gaps in your tracking. With the charging case, you get up to 150 days total battery life with these extra charges included, so realistically, this is something you barely need to think about charging. Now another thing I really like about the Gen 3 is the new hand brush finish. It's got this more premium jewelry style look inspired by luxury brush textures, and compared to a lot of smart wearables that can feel overly sporty or techy, this is just a really nice ring, and because it's fingerprint resistant as well, it's much easier to keep clean and remains clean much longer. And it also comes in multiple finishes and colors, and paired with the lighter, thinner design, it genuinely feels much more wearable all day than most health products. Now, it's IP68 and ATM10 water resistant, so this means that you can wear it while washing your hands, showering, swimming, exercise, or sleeping without worrying about taking it off. And again, that matters because the more consistently you wear it, the more useful the long-term data becomes. Now, outside of the new vascular insights, the Gen 3 still tracks everything you'd expect, like sleep, stress, recovery, activity, heart rate, and more. But honestly, the biggest thing for me isn't the individual metrics, it's the consistency. Because unlike a smartwatch, I actually keep this on all day and all night, so after a couple of weeks, you stop looking at an isolated score and start to notice the patterns instead. Now, for me, the sleep tracking has been the most useful by far. I've always struggled with sleep, but now I can actually see how things like late nights, stress, or inconsistent sleep times affect my recovery and overall readiness the next day, rather than just feeling tired and not knowing why. Now, the stress tracking has also been surprisingly accurate. I noticed mine spikes massively during editing deadlines or long work sessions. While that's not exactly shocking, seeing it reflected in the actual data makes you much more aware of how your lifestyle is affecting you overall. Now, one of the features I really wanted to mention is the sleep apnea monitoring, because this actually flagged up something interesting for me personally. Now, mine is currently showing suspected mild sleep apnea due to repeated apnea events and noticeable SpO2 drops during my sleep. Now, obviously, this isn't a medical diagnosis tool and you shouldn't treat it as one, but it is useful for spotting trends or warning signs that you may otherwise completely miss. And honestly, I've always felt like I might have sleep apnea, and because this has repeatedly flagged these events, it's prompted me that I do need to go and get checked by a doctor. What I like overall is that the app focuses much more on your long-term awareness rather than just throwing random numbers at you every day, and the more consistently you wear it, the more useful and personalized the actual insights become. Now, another thing I really like is that there's no subscription model here either. Once you buy the Ring Conn Gen 3, you don't need to pay a monthly fee to get access to the health tracking, which honestly is becoming increasingly rare with smart wearables. So overall, I think the Ring Conn Gen 3 feels like a genuinely meaningful upgrade over the Gen 2. The improved battery life, vibration alerts, brushed premium finish, lighter design, and especially the new Vascular Trend feature makes it feel much more focused on long-term continuous wellness tracking rather than just daily fitness stats. Now, personally for me, the biggest advantage is just how effortless it is to wear, and it means I can now wear it while I'm sleeping. And as I said, I just don't like wearing watches to bed or while working on a computer, so the Ring is needed for me to unlock that full 24/7 health metrics that I just can't get from a watch. Now, of course, I've placed a link down in the description below for those of you that want to go ahead and grab your Ring Conn Gen 3 today. There's currently a limited time 10% discount available, and hopefully I've covered everything in today's video, but if there's anything I've missed or you've got any questions at all, then just ask them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest tech.